name? Hmm?
My school name is Banchafas Public School.
Okay. Uh, by the way, turn your camera on in the class.
Start my video.
Good. Okay. So, what's currently going on in your school? Which chapter is being taught?
Wait for a few minutes.
Okay. Yeah. So, tell me right now which chapter is going on in the school. By the way, NCRT is being followed in your school, no? Your
Yeah.
school follows NCRT, right?
I'll see about. I'm in examination. My last chapter is uh,
Yes, right. The video is stuck. I have two questions to you. Right now, tell me, in your school, NCRT is followed, right? This is the pattern. This is the book
yes.
followed. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Another question you asked me, which chapter is currently being taught in your school?
Mm, prime time.
Prime time is going on. Okay, good, good. So prime time is
Yes.
currently being taught. Okay. Have you given any exams yet? Has there been any exams conducted in the school so far?
Yes. I'm
Okay.
in examination.
Okay. So you have given some test. All right. Which chapters came in that exam? Tell me.
Pattern in mathematics, lines and angle,
Oh,
number play,
okay.
and prime time.
Lines and angles, and then prime time.
Prime.
Okay. So just to be clear, you said patterns in mathematics, lines and angles, and prime time. These chapters came in your exam, right? Correct, no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay. Good. So tell me, from these chapters, do you have any doubts, any questions? As you have studied these chapters already in the school, I'm guessing. Do you have any questions from these chapters?
Prime time I have doubts.
From prime time, you're having doubts. Okay, okay. So let us discuss this chapter then. Okay. By the way, you can be a bit
Yes.
specific and you can let me know about your doubts also. Anyways, I will be teaching you the different concept from this chapter. Okay. So there
Okay.
are different topics that we learn in the chapter, that is prime time. Okay. So it basically gives an introduction about kind of the world of prime numbers, about common factors. huh? In the chapter, we learn about prime numbers, like what are they. Further in the chapter, I'm just giving you
Prime.
an introduction of all the topics we are going to be discussing in it. Okay. Then we learn about
Yeah.
common factors, like what are they. Further, we learned about common multiples. Okay, common multiples. Then we also get to explore about different divisibility rules, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. What
Yeah.
are the divisibility rules? Okay. Further, we also explore about some important concepts like prime factorization is also there in the chapter. Prime factorization.
Right.
Okay.
And HCF also.
Yeah, exactly. That is also there. Okay. Co-prime, co-prime numbers are also there, right?
Yeah. And the tune prime also.
Twin primes are also there. Exactly. Very good. So twin primes are there. All right. We also have the concept of composite numbers,
Yeah.
right? Composite numbers. So these are some of the major topics that we get to learn in the chapter. Okay. Can you tell me which topic you found difficult to understand while the chapter was going on in your school?
Uh, uh, Co-prime and tune prime.
Co-prime and twin prime. Okay, okay. Let
Yeah.
us discuss that then. See, before we go on to that topic directly, it is important just that we first of all learn a little bit about prime numbers, right?
Yeah.
Prime numbers. Good. See, in the chapter prime
Wait
numbers,
1 second. I take paper and pencil.
okay, okay, bring it. See, I have written the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. Okay.
Yeah. I'm ready.
Yes, I heard you. Hmm. Okay, suppose I have written some numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. All of these are counting numbers or also known as natural numbers, as you know, right? Out of
Yeah.
these, out of these, there are some numbers right now that can be divided by 1 and the number itself only. Getting it?
Okay.
That can be divided by numbers like 1 itself. For example, let us pick the number 2 here. So 2 can be divided by what? Can be divided by 1, no?
Yeah.
And can be divided by itself, that is 2, right?
Okay.
Also, we know that 1 and 2 are basically the factors of 2. Right now, factors are the numbers that divides a given number. Right now, 1 and 2 are the factors of the given number 2. Right? Okay. So we are saying that 2 here has got only 2 factors. How many factors are here?
Two
There
factors.
are only 2 factors. That is the number itself and 1. Then look at
Number.
some more numbers like 3. You will find that for 3 also, the only numbers with which it can be divided is 1 and 3, right? Okay. So that is also having only 2 factors. But now consider the example of 4. So 4 can be divided by multiple numbers. There will be more than 2 factors of 4, right now.
Yeah.
So what are they? It can be divided by 1, 2,
Two.
and 4.
Four.
So here we are having how many factors?
Three factors.
3 factors are there. Okay. Further, we move on to another number like 5. So 5 will have again only 2 factors, that is 1 and 5. So it
One
has
and five.
got 2 factors. So prime numbers are basically those numbers that has got only 2 factors like 2, 3, 5. By definition of prime number, we see that prime number is a number that is greater than 1. 1 is not a prime number. Keep that in mind, right? Now, 2 prime number starts from 2, right? So prime number is a number that is greater than 1 and has only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Okay.
Yeah.
So they can be divided by 1 and itself without leaving any remainder. So let us write a small definition for it. You may write down the definition if you wish. I would suggest to write a definition. So prime
Yeah.
number is a number greater than 1 that has only 2 factors, right? 2 factors. And that is 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. Okay. Now there's one more thing to it, and that is a prime number can be divided by 1 and itself without leaving any remainder. So in other words, we can write down that in other words, it can be divided by 1 in itself without leaving a remainder. Okay. Now there are a few more important facts to be considered here. Like here we have got list of some of the prime numbers. After 5, which will be the next prime number?
Yeah.
After 5, 7 will be the next prime number, no? Right?
Yes. That's
7. And then
one fact, two factors only.
uh, after 7, what will be the next prime number?
Yeah.
It will
8.
be no, not 8. 8 has got multiple factors, no? It has more than
Yeah.
2 factors. Like it can be divided by 1, 2, 4, and 8. So it has a total of 4 factors, no? Look at 11 here. 11 can be divided only by 1 and 11 itself, no? So it has got again 2 factors. So 11
Yes.
is the next prime number. Okay.
Nonsense. 30.
After this, tell me after 11, what is the next prime number?
It's 40.
Repeat again, that will be? No,
40.
not 14. It won't be 14. Look here. If you were to say 14, no, there's problem with it. Because factors of 14 are as follows. You can divide it by 1, no, right? Then you can divide it by 2.
Yeah.
2 sevens are 14, right? 7 twos are 14, and 14 ones are 14. So it has got more than 2 factors, no? Understood? So
Yeah.
hence that is not. Okay, but what can you see about 13 here, huh? Look at
Yeah.
13.
13 is on table answer.
1 divides 13, and then the number itself 13 divides 13, huh? So it has got exactly
Yeah.
2 factors. So 13 is the next prime number that we are having here. So some examples of prime number are as follows. It always starts from 2, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. Okay.
I
So
noted on my book.
Sai, your voice is stucking. Repeat again.
Yeah. I noted on my book. I see it.
Please repeat what you just said. In your book, you are saying something?
Yeah. I noted on my book in the prime numbers.
Oh, okay. Now, the smallest prime number is 2, right now?
Yeah. Smallest numbers. Yeah.
And that is in fact even also, right now? So smallest even prime number is 2, right? Now, if you were to talk about the smallest odd prime number, what will be it?
Oddest prime weight.
Look over here. After 2, we are having 3, and 3 is an odd number, no? Right now?
Yes.
So
This
smallest
is the
odd prime
smallest
number
odd
is
number.
3. Exactly. That is the thing. So these are some of the basic things. One more important thing we have learned, that a number which is not a prime number, right now, and that is 1, clearly. Other than that,
One.
there are so many more numbers also, but it is important to note down that 1 is not a prime number. Okay, now?
Yeah.
So 1 is
Not a prime.
not a prime number. Okay. Now further, we have got the concept of co-primes and twin primes. Right now, co-primes and twin primes.
Yeah.
So let us first learn about co-prime. Okay, see. Like two numbers will be co-primes, okay, if their greatest common factor or the highest common factor, same thing, is 1. Before I write down the definition for it, consider some examples. Say you have numbers like 5 and 9. Okay. We write down the factors of 5 and 9. So what are the factors of 5?
5.
1
1.
and
1.
5.
5.
Factors
9.
of 9 are 1,
1.
3,
3.
and
9.
9. Okay. Which is the highest common factor between them?
There are in the 2 in 9.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I was saying that which is the highest common factor? Isn't 1 here? 1 is the only common
one is
factor here, no?
prime. Yeah.
Right now. Both of them have 1 as the common factor. Okay.
Yes, common
So
factor. Common factor.
understood now. Getting it. So 5 and 9 are examples of co-prime numbers, right? So
True.
two numbers are said to be co-primes if their only common factor, if the highest common factor of these two numbers is 1. They are not sharing any common factor other than 1.
Yeah.
Take some more examples. Say you have another examples of numbers like you take 12 and 25, let's say. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. This time you tell me what will be the factors of 12 and of 25. Tell me.
One,
1,
one, two,
2. Hmm.
two, one, two, four.
What about 3? 3 fours are 12 now. 3 fours are
Yeah.
12. After
Three,
that, you'll take 4.
four,
Hmm. Next,
and six.
6. And then at the last, you will have 12, right?
And
Now
12.
tell me the factors of 25 are 1. Next is,
One, one, two,
how about
three,
5?
five.
Right?
Five.
5. Hmm.
One, five.
5 fives to 25.
And,
And then if you will finally have the
and
number
20.
itself. Good. 25. Now, what is the highest common factor? Like, what is the HCF of these two numbers? The HCF, just in the previous
One,
case, we had the
one and
HCF as 1. So it is 1 only, no? Right?
one.
So one is the
Yeah.
only common factor that they are having. They don't share any other common factor. So simply their HCF is also 1. Hope you have understood the concept of
Yeah.
co-prime numbers now. Okay.
I see. Two
Sai, I think
prime
this your
number.
network is not very good.
Three.
Your your voice is glitching. Do one thing, no, turn off your camera. Like maybe that is causing some interruption. Okay, I have turned off your camera. Now your voice will be clear, I suppose. What were you saying? Did you understood it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, good. So we will write a small definition for it that two numbers are co-prime if their highest common factor, highest common factor
Factor.
is highest common factor means HCF simply, right? HCF
Yeah.
is
HF highest common factor.
1. Good. Or in other words, we can say that they don't share any factor other than 1, right now? They don't share
Yeah.
any factors other than 1. Hope that is clear. And these were some of the examples. Okay. This one and this one. Okay.
Some
Like
examples.
here. Hmm. Now, after that, now we have got the concept of the twin primes. Okay. So twin primes are basically having a difference of exactly 2 between them. Like suppose I am writing some numbers here. By the way, we are discussing twin primes here. Suppose we have got some prime numbers. Okay. Let us say that we have 3 and 5. Okay. After this, we are having 5 and 7.
Okay.
Then let's say we have 11 and 13.
Yeah.
Okay. Take some more, like you have got 29 and 31. Now, what is the difference between these two numbers? 3 and 5, 5 and 7. What is the difference?
Uh,
Isn't there a difference of 2 between them?
plus two plus two.
They differ by 2 now.
Yeah. Is
Understood?
Yeah, different like two.
Hmm. So the
Yeah.
difference between like they are the pair of prime numbers and they have a difference of exactly 2 between them. Got it? Like if the
Yes. Two.
first number is p, so another number will be p plus 2. Understood? Like the first prime number is p, so another prime number
Yeah.
will be p plus 2. Got it? So that is the thing.
Yes.
Okay. So definition for it will be very simple. That twin primes are pairs of prime numbers that have a difference of exactly 2. Exactly 2. And these are some of the examples. Okay. Like 3 and 5, 3 and 5, 5, 5 and 7, etc. Any questions?
Yeah.
Hope it is
No.
clear.
I'm
Good.
very useful.
Okay, so let's do some questions now. So you mentioned some co-prime numbers. Give some examples of co-prime numbers. Some.
Co-prime number. Some co-prime numbers.
Hmm. Second question is which one is twin prime? So here I'm giving you some options. Option A is 7 and 11. Option number B is 11 and 13. Option C is um, 41 and 43. And option number D is both B and C. Okay. So Sai, these are the two questions. First, you give some examples of co-prime numbers. Remember, we learned
Co-prime
about
numbers.
co-prime numbers that their HCF is only one. No? In the case of co-prime numbers, we have discussed that the HCF is going to be one only. Remember?
One and another prime numbers are called co-primes. Yeah.
Repeat again.
HCF is one and another prime number is called a co-prime.
See, what I have said you about the co-prime numbers moments ago, that in 1 second. In this, I said you that two numbers are co-prime if their highest common factor is 1. And we had some examples like 12 and 25, 5 and 9. So the only common factor that they were sharing was 1, and which will be their highest common factor also. Same in the case of 5 and 9,
Yeah.
you can see here. So we can make some prime numbers ourselves also, right? No, it will be a guesswork, but we will solve it and we will find out.
Co-prime
Repeat again.
is some. I will put the question.
Sai, what are you saying? Repeat again, please. Okay, see,
I
how
will
about
be
it?
put a question in the my note.
No, there's no need to write down the question. Just answer it. The class is actually about to end. So just answer it like, how about 4
Yeah.
and 9?
Wait. Give me.
Uh-huh.
1, 2, no, 1,
Factors of 4 are
1.
1, 2, and 4. And for 9, it is 1, 3, and 9. You tell me, are they co-prime numbers?
Yeah.
They are no. Why? Because their HCF is
Uh,
HCF is
9 and 4.
huh. 9 and 4 are examples of
9
co-prime
and 4.
numbers. Good. So their HCF is 1, hence
Yeah.
they are co-prime number. Now from this one, tell me, which one is twin prime? Option A, B, C, or D? Like, is both C and B a prime number? Sorry, twin primes. Keep in mind that twin
Uh,
primes have a difference of 2 between them. What is the difference between 7 and
2
11?
between the
4. Here difference is 2.
7, 4. No.
And here the difference is 2.
Yeah. 2. B is not clearly I see.
Option number B is 11 and 13. Option number C is 41 and 43.
Yeah. The two options